Just imagine. Just look at what this infidel of a Fulani herdsman is doing to somebody's hard work. Honestly, this thing is getting out of hand. The menace of Fulani herdsmen in Southeast, it is getting too much. And people are now being attacked, not just in the farms, but even in the communities. You know, sometime last year, I made a video highlighting the problem of Fulani herdsmen in Southeast. And I can also see on social media that people are not really talking about this. But it's a big problem to us now. It's a big problem. I don't know what the Southeast governors are doing about Fulani herdsmen invasion of our land. Because these people have an agenda. I'm sounding a warning. These people have an agenda. We cannot always be victims. Because if you see what is going on, so many instances where they've arrested these Fulani herdsmen, once they get to the station, they will release them. Why do you even arrest them in the first place? Why don't you buy these people? Buy them and let them and let others learn a lesson. Just imagine what this one is doing to somebody's farm. I mean, whoever that has that farm spent millions of naira to invest whatever it is they did there. And you have a filthy, stinking Fulani herdsman from nowhere coming to rubbish your hard work. The other day, I saw a video of a Fulani herdsman that cut off the hand of a farmer because the farmer is asking them, why are you doing this on my farm? Honestly, this is a big problem. Because one thing I notice about we Christians and we Southerners, whether it's South, 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 East, Southwest of Nigeria, we the youth, we are not taking things seriously. This Fulani people, they have an agenda. They have an agenda to Islamize Nigeria, and they do that by taking away our land. So many IDP camps are all over Nigeria now, from Benue to Jos to different parts of the Middle Belt. Now they are coming to Southeast. And I've learned that even Hope Uzodinma of Imo State have wanted, I think they say he has given them a land to do their ranching. It is wrong. You want to do your ranching, go and do it in the north. They have a vast land in north. Why can't they convert that to arable farming land with technology? Anybody can farm anywhere, even in the desert. You go to Dubai. Dubai is an arid land, but now they turned that arid land into a fertile land. They can do anything on Dubai desert with advanced technology. Honestly, this is so annoying to me, and it is very, very worrisome. And I will like you guys, so please help me to share this video. Let it get to the table of the governor of Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi.